Hey guys, welcome back to another Galaxable TV video. Today we're starting off fresh with a new series of street photography POV videos. What you guys are watching right now is the first route for this series, which will kickstart us into a new journey for this channel. As some of you may know, I'm an international student here in Singapore, so today's route is also gonna be in downtown Singapore. I took this time-lapse on one of the double-decker buses, and I have to say the view was pretty refreshing from up there, even though I had walked around this area time and time again without my cameras. So this is when I was in Tanjong Pagar, our starting point. You can see me going through the settings to make sure everything is all good to go. And let me just take my lens cap off. I'm obviously doing this voiceover in post, but we will have some of the live commentary later on when I meet a new friend of mine. Honestly, it's more of a conversation than a live commentary, but this is my first ever POV video, so I hope y'all enjoy it regardless. I'm not entirely sure if you guys can see my screen, but right now I'm turning on highlight tone priority, which is basically a way to make sure the highlights aren't too overexposed on the camera settings itself. Now this is built into most Canon cameras, and it has been proven to more or less affect the RAW file as well, which is always why I stick to using it, especially in street photography settings. One trade-off that you will inevitably have is that you have to raise the ISO for all the brands that support this sort of, or have this sort of feature, and on the Fuji it's like 400 ISO for the max, I believe. And Canon is enhanced D+2 or something like that, I think it's called, and it's 200, which is somewhat better than the Fuji, but we all know that the Fuji makes it up in other ways like film simulation, so people are less likely to be bothered by the grain anyway. Or at least that's my line of thought. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below in terms of the highlight tone priority. Do you guys use it? Do you guys never touch it? Please let us know. I personally don't really like this photo, but it's not about showing the photos that I took that I like, but it's more of my improvement and my personal documentary. So yeah, I'm gonna include it here. I really don't like the way there's virtually no subject separation. Everything looks like it's in focus. And the clarity looks like it's been boosted, but I actually had to tone it down to match the overall look of what it actually looked like in real life. And it was at this point in time that I saw a fellow street photographer, and I thought it would be nice to have him, you know, share his experience and whatnot in this video, so I decided to approach him. Are you a street photographer or? Are you a street photographer?
Yeah.
Nice.
You too, I presume?
I mean, I try to.
Yeah. You're making a POV?
POV video, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
I mean, I haven't uploaded any of them yet.
Yeah, same. I tried to make some back home in Sweden,
nice.
but never upload them.
Are you like, do you live here or?
No, I'm here for 3 nights, 4 days. So I just figured I'd try and get some nice cars.
So you mainly shoot cars or?
Everything, but
nice.
back home mainly cars.
So you're just going around shooting today?
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Do you want to like join me then, or if you don't mind being in the video?
Yeah, sure. I'm on my way to the, what's it called? The Garden Bay thing?
Gardens by the Bay?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I mean, I live near here, so
oh, yeah,
I know my way around.
Yeah,
so,
I just thought a nice car would pass down here. So that's gonna be a really good picture.
Yeah, there are pretty nice cars around here.
Yeah.
It is downtown, so.
Yeah.
Olympus?
Yes. You have...
It's the Rebel Canon.
Canon,
yeah. I want to upgrade to full frame one day, but...
Yeah. It's not that much big of a difference.
Really? You don't think so?
That's what they told me when I bought my camera anyway.
Yeah.
Unless you want to make like a big poster.
I'm not gonna do prints, but I want to do low light, so it helps with low light performance. Especially if it's a mirrorless.
Yeah.
Mirrorless full frame. You know. Where are you from then?
Sweden.
Oh.
Pretty far away.
I just talked to some people from Sweden last night. Over online.
Okay. Yeah. About photography?
Yeah. Oh no. It was about because they learn Korean. I'm Korean myself, so it was like a language exchange platform.
Okay.
Yeah. They were learning Korean.
Yeah, that's nice.
Talk a bit about gear. Today I was using the 55 to 250mm APS-C lens, which is the EFS lens. I had mainly used it for wildlife with the occasional street photography sessions, and with the crop factor of Canon considered, is more or less a 400mm lens at the longest focal length, and that is what gave me the extra reach in a lot of these photos. However, it is obviously variable aperture, it's not an L lens by any means, and basically at the darkest point, which is the longest focal length obviously, the f-stop is f5.6 and the brightest point would be f4. Now I do know that there are L lenses available like the 24 to 105 that stay at a fixed aperture of 4, widest possible aperture, but those are way more expensive as they are full frame L lenses, and I can't really afford to get an L glass right now, which is why I'm sticking to this APS-C lens. At least it has image stabilization. If it lacked that as well, I would be not able to use this for street photography and whatnot. Also, this isn't the second version of this, there is one, but that's not what this is. This is the original, so the image quality and the optical clarity isn't the best it could be as well.
Try to go in that direction, but I don't have like any real education about it or anything.
I think most of it is hands-on learning anyway.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. Did you do like a panning shot or?
Yeah.
Turn out well?
Pretty decent,
Have you been to here, Passat?
Nope.
Yeah, we can stop by here if you want, unless you're like busy to go to Marina Bay.
Oh no, there's no hurry.
Yeah. So this is like the, I'm not sure if you know about Hawker Center.
Oh.
It's like a food court.
Uh-huh.
But during the night, at weekdays I think, they close down this area to be like a street, so that you can just have food there.
Okay.
Yeah, they set up like stands there, you know.
I haven't seen much yet. I just arrived yesterday afternoon. Walked around the entire day.
Did you go to like the tourist areas, like, I don't know, like Flyer?
No, I just I stayed in Little India and I just walked a bit this way and then down to the Bay Area, like the big mall or whatever. And then I walked back home, taking some detours and things. I think I like 33,000 steps on my phone or something.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, do you know skewer, what that is?
No.
It's like the food on a stick. So you have like meat and whatnot.
Oh yeah.
That's the satay that I was talking about. They have that here.
Okay.
It's a pretty nice. I can show you the picture as well. I took one with the prime lens.
Yeah, sure. Oh, that's a nice building.
Yeah. My screen isn't bright enough, but yeah, that's just a lot of people having satay seated.
Oh yeah, no, I see. Yeah. Yeah, is this here?
Yeah, it's just here.
Oh, that's a big difference from how it looks now.
They put like barricades so that cars don't pass by.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Yeah, the thing I choose the program I choose. I had to do 2 years of language more, so I had to do it.
So do you know what you're gonna do for uni?
No idea. Probably gonna wait 1 more year at least.
Yes.
Oh, there's cars.
Oh. You can always cross that way and then that way again. So that is pretty much it in terms of the shot that I took that was recorded on the GoPro, but I did linger around for an hour or two extra, getting some more shots in the vicinity, which I will be showing y'all as a slideshow in just a second, but do give Fabian a follow if you'd like to support his photography journey, as well as me over at Jingo Photo IG. Both of these profiles will be linked in the descriptions down below, but most importantly, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like on the way out. It means a lot to me. Subscribe if you wish to, since I have more of these coming, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.